Remember this? Okay, really weird problem. The other side is perfectly in. This side, however, seems just about that much short. The last time I installed a Partify bumper, it came folded and I had to let it unfold in the sun for a couple of days. Now, it was really fun to watch it unfold, but fitment was a bit iffy. Luckily, Partify saw that video, and instead of making excuses, they reached out and said, we can do better. So here it is. Partify sent me their new and improved bumper that is color matched to my specific VIN, and most importantly, comes completely unfolded in a box the size of a refrigerator. So let's see if Partify has solved all of their previous problems.
So this is the Partify bumper that is currently on the car. I got this a couple of years ago when I did a 2011 Subaru STI front end conversion on my 2008 STI. Now this conversion is supposed to be a drop-in, so that wasn't the issue with my fitment. But despite that, I should let you know that legally, Partify can't guarantee fitment in my case, which makes sense. But for most of you who are getting the correct bumpers for your year or VIN number, you'll be good to go. The fitment overall was pretty good, but on one side, it was really hard to get on. I did manage to wrestle it, but it's not something that I want to take on and off again often. Also, with their new VIN matching paint, they say they can reach a 97 to 99% color match. So this is how the bumper was delivered. As you can see, it's a pretty big box, but again, that is because they deliver these things completely unfolded and ready to go. Remember, this is how they used to ship them.
Well, here it is. Look at all of that powder. Now, I assume this powder is here to prevent scratches, which I think is a pretty awesome thing.
So after rinsing off the powder and transferring some things from the old bumper to the new bumper, it was time to install it. Okay, so moment of truth on the fitment here. And it was much easier this time. Last time I just sort of sat there for like 15 minutes thinking, how the hell am I gonna get this thing on before brute forcing it? But this time I just lined up all the clips, gave it a solid push, and it clipped right on. Surprise, surprise, shipping the bumpers unfolded was probably the right move. So here is the final product. As far as the paint match, it's not too bad. There is a slight improvement with the VIN matching over the previous bumper, but let's be real. I can't expect a freshly painted bumper to match an 18-year-old car perfectly. That's why body shops blend freshly painted parts with the rest of your car, but I mean, come on. For a few $100, you can get this level of quality painted? Good job, Partify. So anyway, hope you guys save some money out there.